Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you what to do if your HardRockBet account is suspended and how to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the HardRockBet app on your phone and try to log in. If your account is suspended, you will see a message like account suspended or access denied. Account can be suspended for several reasons like security checks, verification issue, inactivity. Next, tap help or support in the app. You can also find live chat or email support. Explain that your account is suspended and you want to reopen it or fix it. Support will usually ask you to verify your identity. This can include email verification, phone number confirmation, providing ID or other documents. Follow instruction carefully to confirm your identity. After submitting the required information, wait for support to review your account. You will usually get a confirmation email or notification once your account is restored. Once the suspension is lifted, open the app again and log in with your credentials. Check that your balance and bet are correct, and that's all. By contacting support and verifying your identity, you can fix a suspended HardRockBet account on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.